Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Capricorn, welcome back. On Monday, your ego is solid, so you won't be in need of validation from other people right now, which is good when the spotlight shines in your direction. You will have the urge to run away from it instead of towards it. Who needs all that attention when you will be much more satisfied with just watching other people do their thing? Getting away from the action feels good for now, so do it. Fading into the background can be a lot more rewarding than standing center stage. On Tuesday, there are strong currents of compassion and nurturing in your life right now. What is traditionally considered female energy should be quite prominent in your day. Listen to the voices around you with greater attention than usual. They belong to people who have been listening and watching for so long that they have a better grasp than you do on what is going on. Avoid aggressive energy today. It's too focused on competition and not focused enough on solutions. A friend who is not nearly as intuitive as you are will insist they are on some type of conspiracy theory, but you're not so sure. Before you burst their bubble, find out how much research they've done to support their theory. If they are so positive of their guesswork, help them see things more reasonably, but if you fail to change their mind, don't feel guilty about it. On Wednesday, it's okay if you don't want to share today. If you're feeling possessive about one of your belongings, your time or your money, then offering it to someone else will do nothing but put you in a bad mood. Unless someone asks you directly for help, you should avoid making any generous offers that you don't really want to follow through on. No one can accuse you of not stepping up to the plate when it really matters, so take comfort in that. On Thursday, you will control your temper when that certain someone tries to push your buttons. You control your hunger when faced with a naughty dietary temptation, and you control your jealousy when someone else got what you thought you deserved. But today you won't be able to control your impulse to speak the truth when someone is in the room is telling a bald-faced lie. Be the voice of reason. Now is the time to finally let yourself go and let them have it. On Friday, try to spend less time talking with your young relatives and more time talking with the old ones. These people have more to offer you, and the others will be so busy with their own crowd that they won't think twice about not getting a lot of time with you. After all, they are your family. There will be plenty of time in the future to bond with them. Getting some unconditional love from someone who has known you all your life is priceless. Someone you're working with needs to learn some flexibility skills. They are being too rigid, and their stubbornness could be giving you a bad reputation within the larger group. So, like it or not, you're going to have to turn to the charm and do a little extra work smoothing over the tension that this person is creating. Be careful not to be too disloyal to this person. Even if they are making things difficult, you need to respect them. On Saturday, be careful about getting too caught up in your dreams right now, the nocturnal ones, not the ones that inspire you on your daily goals. Just because the odd images that your brain cooks up while you sleep are captivating doesn't mean that they are meaningful. Jot them down if you must, but don't take any heavy meaning from them. There may be some issues being addressed by your subconscious mind, but don't worry. If you need to think about them, they'll come to your conscious mind. On Sunday, just because time will be a huge factor for you today doesn't give you license to run around like a chicken with its head cut off. Think strategically and you can become a master of the clock. You are going to have a relay on your flexibility as well as your patience to figure out the best possible way to get through today without losing your cool. But you can do it. Spend the morning mapping it all out and don't be surprised if by late afternoon you've finished up way ahead of your schedule. If people are bickering, you don't have to join them. Choose your battles and you will choose your mood. Someone says something a little too sassy for your taste. Just smile and let it slide. Don't take things personally. Why let someone else ruin your wonderful day? Don't give them that power. Besides, when you look at the people who sing your praises and compare them to the jokers who have nothing nice to say, it's clear who you should take seriously.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.